So ito na mga boss, no, X Metaverse. So ang kinaganda dito mga boss, number 1 to sa Binance, no. Ilang beses nang nag-number 1 to sa Binance NFT, and sometimes number 2, which is nice. So the Telegram is already here, guys. Ililink ko yan sa description below. You can join already. Discord, guys, 40,000 members. Twitter, I will link them all on the description below. Even their YouTube channel, guys, para mag-updated kayo. So there are a lot of ways to earn here, guys, and which is interesting. We can watch the trailer for you to be aware, no? Yep. Trailer pa lang talagang panalo na mga boss. Trailer pa lang panalo na. So may proof na Binance NFT to. Vietnamese company to. So nasa inyo pa rin ang decision, no? Your money, your choice. I'm not liable to any NFT projects. Anticipate nyo lahat yan, mga boss. Lahat ng projects, no? There is involved. Pero para sa akin, X Metaverse is one of the best play to earn NFT game kasi Binance siya. Binance NFT siya, no? So, kung di nyo alam kung paano mag-flip ng NFT, wala kayong idea, o kaya may idea na kayo, no? Let's say, kumikita na kayo sa NFT, pero konti pa lang. Kung gusto nyong gawin hundreds of thousands yung kinikita nyo sa NFT, o kaya ma-master nyo yung NFT flipping, o kaya anong platforms kayo magbabuy and sell ng NFT, ano yung mga projects na papasukan nyo. Yung mga projects na papasukan ko, pwede kayo sumabay. Ililink ko lahat yan sa description below, yung program ko, NFT Master Program. So, pwede na kayong punta. Ang website link, danjocapitalmaster.com. Okay? So, danjocapitalmaster.com, www.danjocapitalmaster.com. You can check it on the description below, guys, if you want to learn more about NFTs. Okay? So, itong X Metaverse na to, Space Battleship meron. May 5 types of Space Battleships. So, may bombing, yan, no? May cruiser, destroyer, top speed daw to, and armor. So, wow, meron pang frigate, interceptor. So there are a lot of ships that are amazing, just amazing NFTs. So unlimited gameplay, guys. Ayan, no, may Battle Force, Interstellar, Space Jump, Alliance War. Titingnan nyo mga boss, yan yung token distribution. Is play to earn 30%. So there are a lot of quantity, no, as you can see here. So that naka-vesting yan mga boss, no? And private, lalo na yung private sale mga boss, that naka-vesting yan. So, yun yung another thing to consider. And also, yung dev wallet nakalock dapat. And liquidity, check yung mabuti, no? So, as you can see, ito yung roadmap, no? Very detailed. So, magkakaroon sila ng panibagong NFT contract na complete na. So, X Metaverse NFT pre-sale, test community operation, second. And also, IDX, yung token nila. Tapos, contract audit. Tapos, mga boss, may IDO din. Ayan, no? So, you must check the dates, guys, for you to be aware. So, naka-detail naman yung quarter, no? So, magkakaroon din ng Space Jump, DAO Manage, Homeworld Defense, Alliance War, Planetary Land System in 2025, 2023, 2025. So, 1 year na lang yan, no? So, mabilis lang yan. Tapos yung 2025, so 3 years na lang. So, land system, meron din mining, interstellar, DeFi, meta, sensing equipment. Pwede to sa phone, Android, iPhone. Tapos may staking pa. In layman's term, guys, in staking, maglalapag kayo, mag-hold kayo, kikita kayo ng token or NFT. And also, ang maganda dyan, parang time deposit yan, no? So, may Galaxy Exploration, Announced Partners, and Community Governance. Yan yung mga partner companies sila. They're all massive. You can check the gameplay here. Space Battleship. So, which is so amazing, guys. You can check the description. Tapos the website so smooth. There's stations, space battleships, pilots. Pwede nyo pong i-check yung mga pilot, oh. So, may Reggie, Sniper, Hypnotis, Planet Warrior, Guardian, Leader, Scientist. So, you can choose your pilot station as well. And also, there's also ranking. You can invite. Coming soon, guys, which is nice. So, you can also check the marketplace here. Yan na, mga boss, no? So, budget meal, no? So, may 0.1 BNB. Pwede nyo naman i-filter yan, low to high. Okay, para makita ninyo. So, 0.15 BNB, very budget meal. There's also NFT boxes you can check. So, if you want to purchase already, you can, guys. So, pilots. Wow! These are one of the best NFT projects na nakita ko. Ang lupit ng graphics. So, anticipate nyo rin lahat ng papasok dito, no? So, tingnan nyo kung tataas yung value. Kung wala ka idea sa NFT, mag-join muna kayo sa program ko dahil mga boss, yung 10,000 na yon, isang NFT lang, mababawi nyo agad yun. So, meron akong finlip doon na 7,000 pesos lang yung NFT, na yung 150,000 pesos. Tama, nandun sa video na yon, live. Demo, ginawa ko. 2 days lang yon, no? Ginawa ko agad-agad. So, you can check this, guys. And also, as you can see, there's Explorer here for the main website. You can buy already. And guys, I really do believe that you can also enjoy this game. Di ka lang naglalaro, nag-enjoy ka pa, tas kumikita ka pa. And yung sinabi ko nga kanina, there's also the medium for the latest news. You can click here. And also this the game and app, which is coming soon. And if you're interested, guys, you can already purchase, okay? So you can sign in your wallet address. You can buy and sell and mint here, which is all amazing, guys. X Metaverse, pero siyempre nasa inyo pa rin ang desisyon, mga boss. So, ito yung white paper nila nasa baba, no? And also Certic Audit, which is here. So, big deal, big factor, no? But we will not review the audit. Let's review the white paper. Okay, so as you can see, the vision is and mission is here. Blockchain 3D game nga siya, playable sa Android, iOS, PC. Tapos, yan yung story niya, no? So, meron mga alien, mankind, nagpo-produce races ng X Meta, may war, no? So, yan yung graphics. So, alam mo, pati pitch deck pinaghandaan, no? So, may alien guardian, may mga pilot race. So, 3.5 million years ago daw. Lupit, mga boss. Grabe, AI shells, oh. Speech battleships, may cannon pa, laser weapons, Omega Frost, mga iba't ibang cannon, may mga iba't ibang types pa na spaceship. Guys, you can customize! This is so good, guys. I-check nyo mabuti to, mga boss, no? Pero mag-ingat din kayo lagi, no? So, yun yung PvE. Merong mga advanced fleet. Okay, na nakalabang ka. Ganyan yung gameplay niya. Parang ano, no? Lupit naman ng gameplay. So, abangan natin to, guys, no? So, battle and strategy siya. Parang ganyan. May turn-based action din siya, tactic formation, pilot skills, and card battles. So you can play here. PvE, PvP, leaderboard, planet NFT, space jump, alliance war. Okay? Loan, pwede ka rin mag-loan. Pwede ka magparenta ng battleship to create income. May interstellar pa. Pwede kang bumisita sa planet na iba ng other players and you can enjoy and have fun with friends. Mining town as well. DeFi, so there's the market that we use. So all purchases burned 4.75% deflation yan para sa economy, tumagal, sustainable yung token for the long term. Tapos ito yung NFT, may box pa na nagko-contain ng interstellar pilot, no? Every box na nako-contain mo, so pwede mo mint gamit BNB, yun nga sa Binance NFT. So meron din tayong Binance NFT sa program natin, no? Yun naman binili ko doon, papakita ko doon yung zombies. So tingnan nyo yun, mga boss, kung hindi pa kayo nag-enroll sa program, dami na natin students, no? Anyway, space battleship and blueprints meron din dito. It only takes 5 days to build a spaceship. So may mga planet din, pwede kayo mag-interact. Tapos play to earn nga to, may daily mission pa, mint and sell NFT, loan scheme, purchase NFT planet, space down, war between alliances. Yan yung distribution, as you can see, 15% token stake and rewards, 9% ecosystem, 20% core team, 8% private sale, and 10% public sale, no? So naka-vesting naman yung sa private sale, and also nakalock yung team wallet, guys. So you can view the address here. Okay? Ngayon, mga boss, let's move forward. Okay, there's also a lot going on here, no? So You can participate on 4 course mechanism daw. Tapos meron pang development and planning, no, which is nice. So yan yung flow niya, no. You will spend, no, how you spend it. So may mga stages din dito mga boss. Stage 2, stage 1 to 2, stage 2 to 3. So you can see stage 3 to 4, stage 4 to 1. So that's the flow of the game. Ito yung co-founder and CEO Kane Lau, Vanny Nang yung CTO, team members Sunny Tan, Mark Chen, David Jones, Robert Saunders, no. As you can see, the roadmap is very detailed and clear. You can see here what will happen, no, what will be happening. So ayan na. So magkakaroon ng game mechanism set. Grabe, design sobrang lupit. And ito yung hinihintay natin: interstellar defi, land system, mining town, sensing equipment, and also Metaverse Alliance War, home world defense. So if you're interested, guys, you can join already on their Discord. Big community already. You can follow their Twitter, guys, YouTube, no, and Telegram. So this Danjo the Capital Master, your number 1 NFT coach. So yung mga hindi pa nag-follow sa akin sa Twitter, you can follow me already. So ingat kayo mga boss, and have a nice day. This Danjo the Capital Master. Follow me on all my social media channels, like and subscribe this video, and the program is already on the description below. Ingat kayo and have a nice day mga boss. So dagdag ko lang mga boss, kapag punta kayo sa Binance.com, tas NFT marketplace, makikita nyo na dito yung X Metaverse, no. So you can click that. So once you click it, this will appear. Okay, so latest price 114.9, and you can also set price to low to high, no, low to high, and yun, makita yung mga fixed price, no, para alam nyo kung ano yung pwede nyo bilhin. So you can check this, guys. You can check the market. You can filter here, guys, if you're interested. For example, this one, Tesseract. So you can buy it already. The community is good. Nasa inyo pa rin ang decision mga boss, but this is X Metaverse box. It's a Star Wars game based on NFT blockchain exploration, mining, trading, and battle. Allows players to collect, mine, breed, synthesize, battle, and trade tokens. Also Battleships, no, kaya tinawag na X Metaverse mga boss. This is Danjo the Capital Master. That's it, guys.